Welcome back to my channel. So let's take a look at the baggy tribe, the baggy culture. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. You can as well dance along.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cable company proudly presents Sasay's Global Concepts. Let's dive into her content now as we go into another world. Check it out. Connect, connect, connect.
Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I am Susie by name. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and to my new viewers, welcome to Susie Global Concept YouTube channel, your channel as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be preparing vegetable soup, Nigerian vegetable soup on a low budget. So but right now I'm behind the backyard, my garden side. I'm going to be plugging the available vegetables that I have, and each ingredient that I have, I'm going to be telling you how much I bought them, yes, and the total amounts that I will use to make the soup, yes. So and I'm going to take you all step by step on a full details, and also how to make your vegetable to look greenish without adding any preservative, any addictive at all, any color at all, natural and organic. So don't forget to like the video and also drop your comments at the end of the video on what you feel about the recipes. And we'll also make fufu, gari, swallow to eat with the soup. The soup is also going to be all-purpose soup. So let's go. So I'm in the garden. I want to plug the water leak that I have at the backyard. Yes. So I'm done from the garden. Let me show you what I was able to get. Here is pumpkin that I bought 50 cents, and here is the water leaf. This is what I was able to get from the garden. So after plugging the vegetable, here is goat meat. We are going to be steaming it. This goat meat, I've already washed it. I bought this goat meat 2,000 naira. That is $1 plus. Yes. Then I'm going to be adding my ginger spices. See. So let me know what you feel about this food from the comment section. Are you going to give it a try? Let me know in the comment section. Let me show you how it looks like. Oh my god. Yummy, 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 yummy. Let me dish out the soup. You can see the soup is sticking up quickly. So I'm dishing out some that we will use to eat. Then I'm going to dip the rest inside the freezer. This soup is going to last us for 4 days. So today, meaning that the remaining one in the pot, we still have like 3 days more to eat it. So I'm going to be putting it inside container and refrigerate it. So that when I'm warming it, the essence of leaving this water is when I'm warming the vegetable, I won't need to add water because it already have water on its own. So let me know from the comment section if you are going to give this food a try. Let me taste the food first. Let me taste the food first. Oh my god. I must taste it first. I'm the one that prepared, so let me taste it first. It's yummy. Oh my god. Very yummy. Let's give this soup a try. Don't forget to like this video and also share it out if possible. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye everyone. One love. One love, one love.